Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Welcome to day number 25. Yes, we made it, guys. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas to you and your family, and I hope you guys enjoyed the festive season. Today's freebie is the biggest. It's a very special one to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and then is a way from me to say a big, huge, large thank you to every single one of you for your continued support. I have started this journey 5 years ago now. Yeah, in April 2019, I want to say. So it will be 6 years in April coming up in 2025. And it started as a hobby, and then it's shortly become a business. And I have my website when I offer digital papers, and my VIP lounge, and also ebooks and workshops, etc., just to share with you guys the knowledge and my passion for papers and arts in general. So today the freebie is a large one. This paper pack has been designed specifically for you, and it's completely free. It's called Vintage Dream. It's a floral background because you know me by now. I love flowers. So this is a collection of mainly pink and blues with some gold, and all the papers are designed to mix and match. Okay, so you get this pink and gold papers, yellow and gold. Love these. Love this page here. These glittery paisleys, another gold large flowers, and a glitter damask paper. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages in total. So if I open up the pages like that, you can see that they can be used as a mix and match, because I use the same color palette and the same embellishment, so they can be used to create anything that you guys want. Also, you'll find this page here on my Facebook group, which it shows you every single day of December, all the freebies that I have listed with the link of the digital collection on my website, so you guys can keep a track of what we shared this month. And of course, today is the last one, which is the Vintage Dream. Okay, so this also will be on my Facebook group with the large kit. Let me show you. Okay, guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media, and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer.
or iPads, whatever you use.
Guys, I'm going to go. I hope you are having a great Christmas with your friends and family. I'm not sure where you guys going to watch this video. Don't worry, this video was pre-recorded. I'm not mad. I had some time off with Jay's family, so it was a lovely day. Guys, I will see you soon. I'm going to take a couple of weeks off just to rest and then just to organize myself, because I have a lot of things that I want to do for in the next upcoming month. I'm probably gonna film a couple of videos for you guys to watch in the next few weeks, so you won't miss me too much. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch every single video throughout the month of December, and I truly hope that you have enjoyed my advent calendars freebie. It's something that I do every year on my channel, because as I said, it's the way for me to say thank you to every single one of you. So I hope you have enjoyed the series. There is a playlist, everything is linked down below, so in case you missed previous freebie, don't worry, you can watch the videos that you have missed. And as I said, go to my Facebook group and you'll be able to download the 25 freebies that I have shared throughout the month of December. Thank you so much for watching, guys, from the bottom of my heart, for my continuous love and support, and I will see you very soon. And until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.